One sunny afternoon, Mia and Leo were playing in their super-duper fun playroom. It had everything: bouncing balls, sparkly stars on the ceiling, a pillow mountain, and even a toy slide. But in the very center of the room was something new, something shiny, something big. A giant, glowing button with rainbow lights flashing all around it. It had a tiny sign that said in wiggly letters, "Do not press." Mia's eyes grew wide. "Leo, what do you think it does?" Leo tiptoed closer, his eyes sparkling. "Maybe it gives you candy, or turns you into a robot, or a flying donut." Mia gasped. "We're not supposed to touch it, but," she grinned. "Maybe we press it just once? Just once!" Leo agreed, holding out his hand. They counted together, counting with anticipation. 3, 2, 1, press! Boing! A puff of glitter exploded into the air. When the sparkles cleared, Leo looked down. "Roar!" he shouted. He was dressed like a dinosaur, a silly one, with floppy arms and googly eyes. Mia giggled so hard she fell on a pillow. "I want to try again," she said, and before anyone could stop her, splat! The button lit up again, and this time, spaghetti fell from the ceiling. Noodles landed on their heads, their arms, even the walls. Surprised. "Ah! We broke it!" Mia laughed, spaghetti wiggles on her nose. Leo smiled the biggest dinosaur smile. Triumphant. "Nope, we fixed it. It's the most fun button ever." Then, both of them turned and looked at you. "If you had a mystery button," Mia asked, "would you press it?" Leo nodded seriously.